Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing of the GOODaaa solar power bank, but this one is not like the previous one. This one has 5 solar panels built into it. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing, I'm going to play some music, and then when I'm done I'll talk a little bit about this product and do some testing. I really like this thing. I really like the previous one because I could plug all my hacking gadgets into it and my off-grid communication tools, but nevertheless, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, that's it for the unboxing. So now let's weigh the two so you can see how much of a difference the actual weight is. So right here, the one that doesn't have all the solar panels is about 15 ounces, which is 1 ounce away from a pound. And this guy right here is 1 pound and 5.7 ounces. So basically this thing is about 6 to 7 ounces heavier than their standard model here. So for $20 more, you get 4 times more solar panels, which means it's going to charge so much faster. And I highly recommend just making that little bit of a purchase. I mean, it's up to you really what your needs are, but if you're really truly going to be going off the grid for a while, or you're going to be go camping, I probably would recommend getting the more solar panels so you can charge it faster. And having that extra solar charging capability is definitely worth the trade-off. I mean, it's just a little bit heavier, not much, and it still fits. It's a nice form factor. It's easy to fold. It feels high quality. It's definitely worth the investment. So I'm going to show you my laptop, how much this weighs, just to give you a perspective of how much that thing actually weighs. So this is almost getting close to the 3 pounds here. But this thing, again, fits great, feels good in your hands, feels like good quality. You have the wireless charging on it. You have all those cables already plugged in, ready to go, so you're going to mess around with cables in your bag trying to find stuff. Like, I like how everything's connected and ready to go. And the flashlight's really good too. So this is the studio here, and here's the flashlight in action. See, it lights up the whole room. And this room is underground, so there's no light, there's no window or anything like that, so this thing is pitch dark. But for me, it's not just about the flashlight, it's about the power when I need to have some kind of energy source when I'm off the grid, or I'm camping, or just when the grid's offline, or just something like that from doomsday scenarios. As you see here, I got my hacking gadgets, which I'm showing right now and demonstrating. I have my hacking gadgets plugged in, and then I have some of my communication devices plugged in. I'm pretty much ready to go if I was going to go off the grid, or if there was some kind of a blackout scenario, or if we just lose power. Where I live, we lose power constantly when it comes to storms. It's just really nice to have the plug in all my gadgets. And again, for the off-grid communication stuff, the wireless charging works really great. I'm doing a live demo right here. See, it's showing that it's charging. And as soon as I remove it, it's going to say it's not charging. And yeah, I mean, everything works great with this thing. I love the previous one I had, but it didn't have all the extra solar panels. I highly recommend getting this one, spending the extra 20 bucks to give a solar power station in your pocket or in your bag. This is great. I mean, the sun is probably the best way to get off-grid energy, and you have it in your pocket. And I'm going to leave all these specifications in the description, as well as like the comparison between the two products as well, and links to them. Thank you, GOODaaa, for sending me this product. I really like that it has all the 5 cables that you are going to need for your gadgets, as well as the 5 solar panels. When stuff hits the fan, you're going to need a way to power all your gadgets, and having the sun give you basically free energy is probably the best thing you can do. Remember, safety is an illusion. I'll see you guys in the next video.